How to post on Threads. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. Now the process is very easy and simple, so just go ahead and follow these steps. Open up your Threads app. And once you do that, you need to click on the posting icon at the bottom center of the screen, and you will get to this page right here in which you will be able to post new threads. You can add text that can go up to 500 characters, and you can click on the paperclip icon to attach any picture or videos that can go up to 5 minutes. And you can use this option to add anything to your thread. And at the bottom left corner of the screen, you can choose who can reply to this thread, such as anyone, profiles you follow, mentions only. And once you are done writing your thread and adding attachment and choosing the privacy, you can click on post at the bottom right corner to post your thread. And as you can see, it's now being posted. Once it has been posted, you can view it on your profile page right here. As you can see, these are your threads on one section. You will be able to find all of them right here. It's very easy and simple process. So that was it for this video. That's how you can post on Threads app. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.